take a look at the completed cover on the Tesla. As you can tell, it fits very nice. There's the nice big Dashield logo. It has a nice opening for your license plate up here. And guys, keep in mind this is brand new, so you're going to have a lot of the little creases. Here is going to be your mirror cap pocket, and it's very large. You could actually close it or open it for the mirror. Coming around the car, fitment is very nice. Here's the little wing that the Tesla comes with. And this one, I have some room. I could even pull it down further. Overall, a really nice fit on the Tesla. And the outside, you can just feel it is exceptionally durable. Here is one pocket. This is made specifically for the Tesla because you can actually pull it and open up your charging port just like that. Pretty cool. We'll go ahead and just leave it like that because it is going to try to close on me in a little bit. But overall, very nice car cover.